So hello dear students, welcome to DPP NEET 2020. In today's session, we'll talk about mineral nutrition set 3. So let's jump into the action without any delay. Myself Sushil Kumar Misra, your biology expert. Let's have very first question of this session. Okay, that is denitrification is carried out by. So which bacteria is actually involved in denitrification? Answer this question guys. It is Pseudomonas. And you know very well that is one of the bacteria. Thiobacillus is also responsible for denitrification, right? So you should remember the name of Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus for denitrification. So please mention this one also, Thiobacillus. Okay. Coming to the next question, dear students. The bond in molecular nitrogen is difficult to break because it is. Okay. So this question seems to be like chemistry one, right? It is not as questions comes in biology. This is actually bit of chemistry type. Okay, so no worry. We students have already studied some chemistry little bit. Okay, so let's answer this question. Yeah, so it is double ionic bond, right? No. Quadruplex hydrogen bond? No. It is triple covalent bond. I think option number C is correct. It is triple covalent bond. This is the bond between the two nitrogen. So it is triple covalent bond. I hope students you have done correct. Coming to the next question, that is 43rd. Which of the following statements are correct? You need to choose out the correct statement first of all. So conversion of organic nitrogen to ammonia by soil microbes is called ammonifications. Is it correct statement or not? First of all, select the statements which are correct. Okay. So what do you think? The very first statement, that is ammonification's definition, is correct or wrong? So conversion of N2 to ammonia, N2 to ammonia by the microbes, yani soil microbes, is called ammonification. Okay, so this statement is actually correct, dear students. Next is ammonia is first oxidized to nitrate by nitrosomonas and nitrococcus. Okay, so this statement is also correct. First two statements are correct. The nitrate is further oxidized to nitrite to further oxidize to nitrite with the help of thiobacillus, because this statement is wrong, because this happens due to nitrobacter. Okay, it is false statement. Thiobacillus is not involved in this. So it is totally wrong. Okay, it is totally wrong. Nitrobacter is involved in this. Next, in leaves, nitrate is reduced to form ammonia. Finally forms the N2 groups of some amino acids. Finally forms the NH2 group for some amino acids. Is it correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Right? It is correct. Okay. Now, that is the last option. Nitrosomonas, nitrococcus and nitrobacter are chemoautotrophs. So, this is also correct. That means only third option is wrong. Only third option is wrong. So, find out the best option from the given options. You will see that it is 1, 2, 4 and 5, which is present in option number D. So option number D will be the correct option. Option number D will be the correct option. Okay. Next question, that is 44. Again, this type of question is to select the statements which are incorrect. You need to select the statement which are incorrect. I am giving you time, guys. Just read out the statement, find the incorrect statement and then answer the question. Okay. The morphological changes are indicative of certain elements deficiency and are deficiency symptoms. Next statement, that the part of plant shows deficiency symptom depend on mobility of element in the plant. So what do you think? First statement is true. Second is also true. Next, deficiency symptom appear first in the young tissue whenever elements are relatively mobile. So this is opposite in nature. because deficiency symptoms appear in older tissue when the elements are relatively mobile. Okay, so this is the wrong statement. Deficiency symptom of chlorine, and what kind of this element is known as Z. I think this is printing mistake. Okay, no worry. Chlorine, nitrogen, oxygen are visible first in senescent. So senescent leaves, no, that is the another statement. So this is actually again the wrong statement. So it is the third and fourth which is wrong. Option number A will be the our choice. Option number A will be our choice. Okay. So getting my point, dear students. Okay, now so we have completed the question. Any confusion? What else you need to know that whenever the elements are mobile, their deficiency should appear in older regions. Okay, and such examples you can take off if the particular elements is immobile, okay, immobile, then you will see that deficiency is appearing in the younger tissue. Okay, so when elements are immobile, they are deficiency shown in the younger tissue, and when the elements are mobile, okay, so their deficiency can be seen in the older leaves or tissues. Okay, so getting my points, dear student? Okay, so this is the things which are more confusing. I've cleared you out. Okay, 45th number question. Which of the following is an incorrect match of essential elements and function? You need to correct, incorrect options you need to choose out. So manganese, structural component of chlorophyll. Calcium, component of middle lamella. Zinc, enzyme coactivator. Iron, component of ferredoxin. Each statement is true, rest of A. A is wrong because it is not manganese, it is confused with the magnesium. It is magnesium actually which is the structural component of chlorophyll. So option number A is incorrect. Next question, 46. Mineral known to be required in large amount for plant growth includes, yani you have to choose the category of macronutrients, and macronutrients have the elements like CHO, NPK, and calcium, sulfur, and magnesium. So these are the 9 elements comes under the category of macronutrients. So please choose out the options. Okay, so what options do you think it will be correct? It is the option selenium, no, zinc, no, and here we have all the criteria fulfilled. Okay, so option C will be the right option. Option C will be the right option. Okay, option C will be the right option. Getting my point, dear students? Why fourth one will be excluded out? Because of manganese. Manganese do not comes under the category of macronutrients. Coming to the 47th, that is deficiency symptom of nitrogen and potassium would be visible in as I told you in the last MCQ, that when the elements are mobile, okay, when the elements are mobile, their deficiency particularly appears first in older tissue, or you can say senescent leaves. So option A will be the correct one. As because of nitrogen and potassium is readily mobile elements, so mobile elements deficiency appears in mature, older, senescent part. Next question, 48th. A few normal seedling of tomato were kept in a dark room. After a few days, they were found to have become white colored like albinos. Which of the following term is well used to describe them? I have discussed this particular types of MCQ indirectly, not directly, but indirectly in the last sum set. Okay, I have talked about this type of phenomenon. One of the option was there when questions was that in which of the following options there is no mineral deficiency. Okay, so that was the question, I think, and I have told you about this particular phenomenon, that is etiolation, that is etiolated leaf. Okay, so option number C will be there. This happens when there is a lack of sunlight. Coming to 49, That is the option. Which of the following elements is constituents of biotin? This is very easy question, dear students, and this is direct questions. So you need to tick out very fast. Biotin, component of biotin is sulfur. Okay, getting my point, dear students? Okay, so we have completed the questions. Sulfur is actually present as a component of many vitamins, like biotin is one of that. Thiamine is also, so thiamine, biotin, these are the vitamins, and that particular vitamins contain sulfur. Next question, that is 50th one. Best defined function of manganese in green plant is. So what do you think that manganese plays a role of? Manganese actually plays a role of, yes, I have already told you about this. Answer this question, dear students. That is splitting of water. It is the best function. Best function of manganese is splitting of water. And what do they do? Actually, they split water to liberate oxygen, right? To liberate oxygen. So there is option of photolysis of water. That is option number A will be the correct one. Option number A will be the correct one. Okay, next question, that is which of the following elements in plant is not remobilized? This is also very easy. No need to take time, dear students. Do it very fast. So this will be the calcium, option number B. Next question, 52. Which one of the following is not an essential mineral elements for plants while remaining 3 are? So you know essential elements. That is iron is essential, manganese is essential, phosphorus is essential, but cadmium, it is not essential. So option number C will be our choice. Next question, that is 53rd. An element playing important role in nitrogen fixation. So what do you think? Nitrogen fixation. Yes, it is actually option number A, molybdenum, because it is important for the functionality of nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, coming to the next question, manganese is required in. So manganese, you know, we have done these questions in last one also. The same question comes in different way. So no need to worry, dear student. That is important for photolysis of water during photosynthesis. So it is option number B, kind of a bonus. Okay. Next question, that is farmers in a particular regions were concerned that the premature yellowing of leaves of pulse crop might cause decrease in the yield. Which treatment could be beneficial to obtain the maximum yielding? So what is the problem actually? It is a problem of yellowing of leaf. That is actually called as chlorosis, right? And why do chlorosis happens? You know very well, that is happening due to deficiency of some kind of elements. What are those elements? Actually, chlorosis happens due to lack of that is nitrogen, potassium, mainly magnesium also, sulfur also, iron is also responsible, manganese and zinc, molybdenum somehow. So these are the elements due to whose deficiency chlorosis happens. So let's read out the options and we will tick out the best one suited out. Okay. So application of iron magnesium to promote the synthesis of chlorophyll. This is the primary cause behind this. So it might be our best choice, but also read out the rest of the options. Frequent irrigation of the crop. Okay. No. And treatment of the plants with cytokinin along with a small dose of nitrogenous fertilizers. No need to do this. Removal of all yellow leaf and spraying the remaining green leaves with the 2,4-5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So it is also not beneficial. So I think option number A will be our best option to be chosen. Okay, so A option is correct one. That means we will apply iron magnesium and fertilizers which contain iron magnesium so that chlorophyll synthesis can occur. Okay, next question, that is 56th one. When the plants are grown in magnesium deficient but urea rich soil, the symptoms expressed as magnesium deficient. So dear students, magnesium is an integral part of chlorophyll. You know that. And if there is chlorophyll synthesis disbalanced, then ultimately the leaf will appear to be yellow. So option number A will be our answer, that is yellowish leaf. Okay, option number A will be our answer, yellowish leaf. Are you answering before me or not, dear students? You need to answer the particular question before me, because at the end of the session you need to comment down your score, that how much of the questions were well known to you and how many of the questions you have done on your own. So please comment down the score after every session. Next question, that is 57th. Which of the following is not caused by deficiency of mineral nutrition? So this was the question I was talking about. Yes, everyone hurry up. It is etiolation, because it is the phenomenon which is caused due to lack of sunlight. It is not due to deficiency of mineral nutrition. Coming to the next question, this is one of the easy question, that is, which of the following element is almost non-essential for the plant? Almost non-essential. Almost non-essential, that means yes, that is sodium. In none of the category of macro and micro you can see the sodium. Okay, sodium is out of the box of micro and macro, so it is non-essential type of elements. Coming to the next question, that is second last one, 59th. Which of the following elements play an important role in biological nitrogen fixation? Biological nitrogen fixation. So it is also kind of questions we have done previously. It is molybdenum, important for the nitrogenase activity. Okay, so next question, last question of this today's session, that is mineral associated with cytochrome is. So this is also well known to you guys. Yes, it is iron. Okay, option number D. So at the end of the session, guys, what you need to do, just mark out which options you have correctly done and how many questions you have attempted, how many of them are correct actually, what is the score out of 20. Just comment down below in the comment section. I hope you have liked this session. Okay, take care. See you soon in the next session. Till then, lots of love.